shoot through the whole thing. So I'm going to be getting your natural reaction so things aren't like posed and stiff and awkward, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ready? And come at me, girl. Hi.
Hi.
Give me a little hey, girl.
Hey, girl.
Beautiful.
Hey there, photographers! Have you ever wondered how some people get those authentic, joyful, oh my god, that's so them expressions from their senior clients? Like, how do they go from stiff and awkward to totally natural and relaxed? It's not about forcing poses or saying, okay, now smile, because let's be real, that's what you get, a fake smile.
Looking tough, looking
It's
tough.
about connection. It's about
Beautiful.
making your
Go back
seniors
to it.
feel seen, confident, and comfortable so their real personalities shine through the lens. And guess what? You can totally master this too. In my online course, The Ultimate Starter Guide to Senior Portrait Photography, I dive deep into how I coach my seniors to break out of their shells. I'll teach you how to pose them naturally, create genuine moments, and capture those jaw-dropping shots that parents and seniors go wild for. Because here's the deal, when seniors have fun during their shoot, they remember you and they refer you. And their photos, Insta-worthy, wall-worthy, and grandma will cry-worthy. If you're ready to stop getting stiff poses and start creating images packed with personality, click the link below and join my class. Let's make magic behind the lens and turn your sessions into something seniors rave about. Let's capture the real them every time. See you in class.